I am obsessed with these. Totally obsessed. When I look at all the products that I'm working on, like literally actively using continuously, I'm kind of surprised.
Ridiculous.
So I wanted to share that with you because the last video I did where I was showing you all what my empties were, you guys seem to like that. So I figured you might like this as well. So we're not going to go into a whole bunch of notes. I just wanted to share with y'all the products I've been loving lately. So let's just go ahead and jump right into it. So I'll start with the little stuff. This is Donna's Recipe Strength Hair Oil. This has 18, you see it right there, 18 natural oils and powders to stimulate the hair follicles. I use this on my hair, I use this on Nathan hair. This only has a little in it, as you can see, 1.7 fluid ounces, and it's almost done already, and I know I'm going to be buying, in fact, I think I already bought a backup. Let me know if you've tried this product from Donna's Recipe by Tabitha Brown. I'd like to hear from you in the comments. I've been trying to do aluminum-free products, natural products, and it's been hard to find deodorants that are natural, that work. The two that I've been using, like to go to sleep and stuff, is the Milk Stick. This is by Beekman 1802, and this is Saltair Seascape. That's the fragrance of it, and that one is not bad at all. But what I really like is this one here, the Candy Shop Gum. This is by Native. I really like this one, and so far, my favorite natural deodorant. And I've only been using this a week, so I don't know if my body is going to like reject it after a week or whatnot, because I've seen some reviews. But the Lume, and this is the fragrance Toasted Coconut. I really like this as well. I tested this out. I wore it not quite 72 hours, but I did wear it for a whole day at work and the gym, and I had no issues with it. So I really, really like this. I tested this one against this one. And then I tested this, the Native, against the Saltair. Basically, I tested each one of them against the other. The Lume is number 1, the Native is number 2, Saltair is number 3, and the Beekman is number 4. And so far, these are my deodorants. And I'm consistently using them throughout, you know, like every day. Right now, every day this gets play, every night these get play. My mom sent me this for my birthday. This is Milkshake Hyaluronic, I can't even pronounce the name. Acid and Squalene Facial Toner Mist. You have to shake it up. Excuse the phone shaking. And this is what it looks like. You spray it on your face. You could use it as a makeup setter. You could use it. I use it before I makeup, after makeup, and I don't wear a lot of makeup lately. But bottom line is, I love wearing this. It's so refreshing on the skin. Absolutely love this. It has mugwort and goat milk and probiotic extract. My mom is the bomb.com. She knows I love skincare. So Beekman 1802. This is the Milkshake Hyaluronic Acid and Squalene Facial Toner Mist. Y'all know I love me some Bella Ora skincare. This is the Gentle Purifying Cleanser. This is from the Core Collection, and this is what the bottle looks like. This is the cleanser. You only need like a pea size to clean your face and your neck and behind your ears. I love this cleanser. And then I also have Bella Ora Skincare Hydro Revive Treatment. I actually use this morning and evening as well. After I spray the Beekman toner on, I take just a pea drop and I spread this on my face and on my neck and on my chest. Really, really enjoy wearing these two products. So these are staples. After I'm finished with this, I'm definitely going to be buying another bottle of both of these. I love Bella Ora, guys. Such wonderful skincare. I'm moving faster than anticipated. So sticking with skincare, I am using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Bath and Body Works creams, okay? And there is a method to my madness. The reason why I'm using these body creams like that is because I layer them with each other. I layer them with body mist, which I'm going to show you guys in a minute. And I also layer them with this right here, Open Natural. This is a urea cream. I am aging. I have very dry skin. So this, my dear, this helps my feet. This helps my feet from looking like I have the mist for this, but I found myself wanting to wear this when I want to wear this fragrance by Kayali. This right here. Winter Candy Apple and Eden Juicy Apple. I pair these two and I like this skin combination. I like the way I feel. I can wear it to bed and I can also wear it to work and I could wear it to the shopping. Bottom line is this is such an easy combination. And don't get it twisted. Kayali's Eden Juicy Apple 01. It's a refreshing fragrance, so it's a great combination. Even though this says winter, this is a great combination because it's nice and airy and refreshing to wear summer, well, wear the summer. So I'm a little heavy-handed, okay? So I have the fragrance for this right here, which is a coffee and whiskey body cream. But I also layer this body cream with pumpkin pecan waffles, marshmallow pumpkin latte, and warm vanilla sugar. Yes, I understand these are all winter scents. Yes, I understand they're very creamy and, you know, cozy. But to be quite honest with you, I am not resigned to wearing fragrances for seasons. Of course, we talk about seasons because we give you the best recommendations for seasons. But child, I wear my stuff all the time. All the time, okay? I don't have summer skincare and winter skincare. I do skincare the way my face and my body responds or needs. And it's the same with the perfume. If my mind tells me to wear something, that's what I do.
I'm gonna go with honesty.
So I've been wearing this with these. My bottom line is that whenever I pull this out, after I jump out of the shower and I pull this to put on my body, the coffee and whiskey by Bath and Body Works, I always go in with one of these body sprays. And then if it's morning, put a perfume on top. If it's evening, I go straight to bed. Oh, since we're over here, guys, skincare still on skincare. Still the Janeiro's Bum Bum Body Firmeza, I think that's how you pronounce it, oil. Really like this a lot. I love the way this smells because I have also, this is a body serum and it's a night serum. I use this with this. I layer these two together when I put it on my skin and then I go in with lotion. Yes, I'm extra, okay? My body needs a lot of moisturization and I am here to give it to my body. That's all there is to it. So these two are working out very good. The oil and the Moroccan oil. Like if you use a body scrub or something like that, oh my God, this feels so good on the skin. It's like playing with your body. Ew. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it there. All right. This I've been highlighting in all my shorts. A lot of play. Pistache skincare. I absolutely love this and I am going to be buying the oil. I'm going to be buying the oil. This is such a wonderful cream. It smells so good. And when I wear this, more than likely, I'm pulling this out. Now I've layered these different combinations, but I've also pulled in Finery's Nothing Other Cherry. Kayali's Yum Pistachio Gelato. This is a fire combination. This combination right here. Uno, dos, tres. Hello. Do you hear me? Annie, do you hear me now? About fire combinations, Sutra body oil. You do not need a lot of this. I love wearing this at night. It's very calming. Extremely moisturizing. It enhances any fragrance you layer it with. It's always out of stock. It's always out of stock. Oh my gosh. But if you can get your hands on this, it will enhance every single rose, petunia, raspberry, strawberry, whatever fragrance you mix this with. It smells great. I haven't heard or seen anyone combine this and did not like it. So this is Sutra Revitalizing Body Oil. I have talked about this ad nauseum and I'll keep talking about it. Okay, absolutely love this. Ray, you did the damn thing with this. Another item that I want to bring to your attention is this rose water oil. This is by Victoria's Secrets. Now, I would have never thought to buy this, but they were on sale and I could not help myself because it was on sale. Point blank period. That's it. It was on sale. That's all it. That's all you got to say. Sale, and there I am. I go, here I come. Here I come. Uh-oh. That's me. So anyways, rose water oil, I started using it. I haven't used it a lot, but this is something that I'm planning on using with my lighter fragrances, like my Giorgio Armani fragrances that has the light rose scent, like La Col Noir by Dior. I see myself layering this with those. So I don't necessarily have to use the sweetness of Sutra, the rose in there. I can go ahead and use this body oil right here to moisturize with and then layer my lighter rose fragrances if I'm not looking for that sweet sugary vibe. You know what I'm saying? Let me know if you've tried rose water oil by Victoria's Secret and if you like it, love it, or not. Thing I want to talk about, guys, is this one here. So I know y'all know I love House of Sillage, right? But look at that. I put a dent in this fragrance, guys. This is my favorite. This is Benevolence, and I have officially gone through half of this bottle. Yep. Look at that juice. Look at the color of that juice. Absolutely gorgeous. Divine red. Ooh, it looks like a nice scotch, doesn't it? I don't drink scotch like that, but it does look like a nice scotch. Point blank period. It's just gorgeous. I love this juice. I love this fragrance. One of my ultimate I would say, is it my favorite fragrance? It's not my, I don't know if I have a favorite. It's my favorite House of Sillage. Yeah, I do know that. Let me know if you've tried Benevolence, because this has a sort of pop vibe in it that, you know, some people find polarizing. They don't like it. I love it. Okay, let me know if you guys have tried it and what your thoughts are down in the comments. If this is the first time you've popped up on my page or my page popped up on your feed, thank you so much for sticking around. Hello, my name is Pamela and I talk about all things common sense and luxury with a concentration in fragrance. I produce a whole bunch of content surrounding beauty and fragrance, but I have lives, I have shorts, I have a whole playlist. Well, too many playlists actually, but you get the gist. I got a lot of stuff out there, so please feel confident in knowing you can go over to my page and you will find a whole variety of content for your edification. Now, if you found any value in today's video, please consider hitting the like button. It helps the channel out because it lets me know what I'm doing is on the right track. Now, if you don't like what I produced today, please consider also hitting the dislike button. And both, if you hit the like or the dislike, let me know in the comments what you liked and what you didn't like. Again, I really appreciate you hanging out with me today. I would love it if you would subscribe to the channel. I would definitely love that. But in the meantime, guys, take care of yourself and each other, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.